Hi guys, Daniel here and back with another one of my how-to videos. So this is an Xerox Phaser 6510, but this tip will apply to other printers, other laser printers made by Xerox. Earlier I had a waste container error come up on the digital display. If you've got the same error and you're wondering how to fix it, I'll just share some information. So on this particular model you have a side axis that comes down. It'll beep because it's open. This black thing is the waste toner collector. It comes undone like that, and it hinges in at the bottom, and then it clicks back like that. So we'll take it out again. You've got your yellow, magenta, cyan, black drums, and what happens? How this works, if you don't know, is it coats them with the toner, and any waste toner goes along like a screw. This thing here pushes into like a little spike. The spike opens this thing, and then the waste toner goes through here into these holes and drops down the bottom. Now the reason why you've got that error is because down on the left on this particular model there is like a sensor here. I think it works on LED or laser, I'm not entirely sure. What it does is it fires a beam across from here to here, and it goes through this clear piece. And if I turn this waste toner collection thing round, and as you can see at the moment it's not full, but it has got a bit of yellow toner in, and what happens is these get full up, this pushes in like that, and then this thing here, what happens is the waste toner comes in, this thing here spins round, and eventually the whole thing fills up and fills that one up. So there's three ways of fixing this. First way is to buy a new one, which you may not want to do. The second way is to suck the toner out to bang it upside down, suck the toner out. Obviously the only thing with that is you need a toner safe vacuum, and most people don't have one. Or the third option, it's messy, but the third option is to literally bang this in a bin and hold your breath and don't breathe any toner in, basically. So that's how you fix it, but you could just buy another one. But that's how you fix the error that comes up. I mean, I literally go outside and I just bang this every now and then, get rid of the toner, otherwise it fills up. So if you've got that problem, hopefully this video helps. Thanks for watching.